How to fix the Instagram could not refresh the feed. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If Instagram displays that could not refresh feed error, it is typically due to the issues with the internet connection, app settings or account. So here is how we can fix it. Step 1, check for your internet connection. Make sure it is a stable one. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. If not, you can reset your network settings. For this, head over to the device settings. After that, go to System and Reset options. Or you could directly use the search bar to search for Reset Wi-Fi or network. Moving on to next step, make sure you have updated the Instagram to the latest version. To confirm it, head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update button if it's available. This way, you will get fixes with the temporary glitches as well as the issues. Once that is done, clearing the app cache should also help. For this, long press your Instagram application, go to App Info, head over to Storage and Cache, and then clear the cache. Now that you have done so, once restart your device or reboot it. After you have rebooted your device, log in back to the Instagram account, and then your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.